Imagine this. In one hand, a warm, crispy chicken McNugget. Simple, familiar, and unmistakably ordinary. In the other, a small mother-of-pearl spoon holding glossy black pearls of caviar, a food long associated with royalty and wealth. Two worlds that were never meant to meet, now combined into one unexpected idea. McNuggets with caviar. At first, it sounds like a joke, something designed purely to shock. But this unusual pairing did not come from a luxury restaurant, nor from a celebrity chef. It came from one of the most recognizable brands on earth, McDonald's. And within hours of its announcement, the internet was already debating whether this was absurd or absolutely brilliant. McNugget Caviar is a limited edition promotional campaign launched in the United States ahead of Valentine's Day 2026. This is not a menu item you can order at a restaurant. It is not something you can buy. Instead, McDonald's released a small number of exclusive kits online, free of charge. Each kit contains premium caviar, creme fraiche, a traditional mother-of-pearl spoon, and a McDonald's gift card intended specifically for chicken McNuggets. The concept is simple, but bold. Take one of the most ordinary fast food items in the world, and pair it with one of the most luxurious foods in history. To understand why this combination caused such a strong reaction, we need to understand what caviar truly represents. True caviar comes from the salted roe of sturgeon fish, an ancient species that has existed for millions of years. Historically, sturgeon lived in the waters surrounding the Caspian Sea and the Black Sea. For centuries, caviar was reserved for royalty, aristocrats, and political elites. It was served at imperial banquets and exclusive gatherings. Sturgeon take many years to mature, sometimes more than a decade, making their roe rare, expensive, and highly prized. This rarity transformed caviar into a global symbol of luxury. McDonald's did not select just any type of caviar. The company chose Berry sturgeon caviar, also known as Siberian sturgeon caviar. It is sustainably farmed, carefully processed, and known for its creamy texture and mild, refined saltiness. This is not the most expensive caviar in the world, and that choice was deliberate. Berry caviar represents balance. Premium, but approachable. Luxurious, but not untouchable. Just like the idea behind McNugget Caviar itself. On the plate, the contrast is striking. Golden, crispy chicken nuggets, smooth white creme fraiche, and glossy black pearls of caviar on top. The flavors were never the main point. The symbolism was. McNuggets represent convenience, comfort, and everyday life. Caviar represents exclusivity, tradition, and status. By combining the two, McDonald's created a visual and cultural contradiction, one that immediately captured attention. At its core, McNugget Caviar is not about food. It is about relevance. McDonald's is not trying to redefine fine dining. It is redefining how a global brand stays part of modern culture. This campaign speaks directly to younger audiences who value irony, humor, and shareable moments more than traditional advertising. McNugget Caviar was never meant to be eaten by millions. It was meant to be talked about by millions. And it worked. McNugget Caviar may seem ridiculous, and that is exactly why it succeeded. It takes a food once served to kings near the Caspian Sea, and places it next to a cardboard box of chicken nuggets. In doing so, it challenges our idea of what luxury really means, and who it is for. In a world driven by attention, sometimes the most unexpected ideas are the ones we remember the longest. So the final question remains: would you try McNugget Caviar? Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more stories where culture, history, and modern trends collide.